welcome. This is Carol from Crinkled Path Journals, and I'm back with a Trinket Tuesday. Trinket Tuesday is a open collaboration that is hosted by Jonna, the preppy crafty girl, and today I am bringing dominoes. These are my oldest set, and I have yet to drill holes in them, but I do have a Dremel, and this got me thinking about how many other sets of dominoes I have collected over the past few years of starting junk journaling. These are the oldest set I have. They are from 1950. They have the lion on them. Then I have from the 70s, our good old pal Grover. And the rest of the Sesame Street gang. Cookie. Somebody please tell me her name. I keep forgetting. Bert and Ernie. Some of these are a little well loved by some child. The Count. But these are big enough that I think they could be cut in half, and you could put an eyelet or hole in the corner and use them on a dangle. Especially I think of Angela, who is working on Sesame Street journals. And yes, I recently sent some to her. And then we have some from the 60s. These little ones are so cute. Bunnies, monkeys, little lions. And I have definitely been on the lookout for a set that is similar to this, that has the little golden book characters from the original golden books, I believe, like the Tawny Scrawny Lion and Toodles. And if I ever spot them, they will be mine. I also have my original set of memory game cards. I think the set I have is from the late 60s. So I don't know if it belonged to my siblings and then it got passed down to me, but well, hold on. I'll just go grab it. The box is a little worse for wear. The images on these are so memorable to me. Playing this game with one of my parents or my siblings, just looking at the pictures takes me back to being like 3 and 4 years old. Now I can't part with this set to drill holes in it and make dangles out of it quite yet. I think it's something I will play with my granddaughter. And so I don't want to use these at this point. But see how these are about the same size if you cut them in half? But I will definitely be looking for these. I have been looking for these when I go to estate sales where they have old games. And I'm hoping I can get something at a reasonable price. Everything that I've seen online has been over $40. And that's a little more than I want to spend for something that's going to dangle on the side of my journal. Smokestack. There she is again. Anyway, back to my dominoes. Next, I have this set, and I believe this is from the 90s. And I know a lot of people really like to do circus journals. I haven't aspired to do a circus journal yet, but these are really cute and whimsical. And then last but not least, I have this set of wooden dominoes, and it has mostly farm animals on them, but it does have this bear and this Christmas wreath. So I'm thinking maybe Christmas journals or my farm journal. And these I would not cut apart. I would just leave them whole. They're very light balsa wood, even lighter than these. And so I think they just need to have a hole in them so that they dangle. And an honorable mention, I have these cards from an Eric Carle game. It's a matching game as well, but not a memory matching game. And so I think these are going to be really fun. They're missing a couple from the game, so the game is no longer playable because you have to have all the matching sets. So they got added to my trinket dangles pile. So tell me, do you have any dominoes laying around or cardboard game pieces that you want to use for dangles on your journals? If you do, do a Trinket Tuesday. Tag Jonna and use the hashtag Trinket Tuesday. Thanks for coming along today for this little short video. Take care, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.